It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, these are all the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, and of course, as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trade indicator. This had been more of a downtrend than an uptrend, but got to the support zone, was unable to break out from there, so he started buying. However, if you should notice, it has been going back from this region. Okay, so once it gets there, if it does not break out above it, then definitely it's going to sell. Okay, so we should take note of that. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500. This had been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Started from here, got to this region, had a pullback and played around there for a while, but went back down to break out below that support zone, and of course it is still selling at the moment. If it's unable to break out from there, then it's going to go back on uptrend. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, okay, until it is unable to break out from the support zone. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out. Okay, so guys, this is crash 1000, and of course this had been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Broke out from here, and of course got to this region, played around there for a while, and of course still broke out from there to get to a new support zone. Okay, so if it breaks out from this support zone, this particular one down here, then definitely it's going to keep on selling. But if it does not, then it's going to go back on a buy trend, on an uptrend. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. It might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out from that support zone. Next asset should be crash 500. Okay, this is crash 500, and it's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend for a while. After breaking out from this resistance zone, went to a new resistance zone, and was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend right from there, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75, and this had been on downtrend right from here. It sold till it got to this support zone. Okay, it has gotten back to the support zone again. If it should go back up, then it's going to buy for a very long time. Okay, so we expect it to buy until except if it breaks out below the support zone, that is when it will keep on selling. Okay, so we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.